Wenzhou Kaixiang Packing Machinery Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of multifunctional automatic cartoning machines. Our products are widely applied in the food industry, pharmaceutical industry, daily necessities industry, cosmetics industry, healthcare products industry, entertainment industry, hygiene products, and the hardware industry, as well as a plethora of others. Our company can provide customers with professional customized cartoning machines to help them solve problems occurring in the actual packaging process and provide corresponding solutions. For a wide array of specifications and requirements of the entire packaging industry, as well as a comprehensive variety of sealing methods, we have designed and modified the overall frame and sealing parts of our products to more effectively adapt to the characteristics of the client's packaging needs. Our cartoning machines can be paired with other devices to form a complete production line, enabling fully automatic linkage production, increasing production efficiency and reducing labor and labor costs. We place great importance on product quality and strictly follow ISO 9001 International Quality Management System standards for production. Each machine is fully commissioned and tested by professionals before shipment to ensure stable and reliable operation. Our products are sold to more than 60 countries and regions, such as the United States, Germany, Japan, Australia, Russia, Southeast Asia, Africa, South America, etc., and are trusted by users. Our automatic cartoning machine features the functions of automatically completing the carton opening, packing the product, printing the batch number and sealing the box, etc. The machine can be used alone or in combination with other equipment to form a complete production line. The machine adopts famous brand electrical components such as a PLC touchscreen and frequency converter. It will automatically stop when the machine is overloaded. Additionally, our cartoner can automatically reject lack leaflet, product, or even empty cartons. All our products feature stable performance and user-friendly operation. The cartoner features intermittent operation, PLC control, simple structure, and easy maintenance. It can complete job from automatic carton opening, inserting product into box, sealing the box, and printing the batch number. In case where no object needs to be packaged, the machine will not suck down the carton. The automatic cartoning machine can be used alone or be linked with a blister packaging machine, hot melt adhesive dispensing equipment, or other devices to form a complete production line.